Hey everybody, Rob Spierenberg, Managing Director of All Things Media, just off the plane from South by Southwest, and just wanted to give you a little insight on the conference as a whole. Oh look, I can see myself. Hey buddy. Looking sharp. This year, all of the technology that was promised has actually come out. Overall, a lot of VR. Everywhere we went in South by Southwest, somebody was wearing VR goggles. We saw a lot more Samsung Gears and Oculus Rifts. More often than not, the VR experiences are a little bit substandard. However, McDonald's had a really interesting one. They really took advantage of gesture-based control and things like that to take VR to the next level. We also saw some interesting uses of VR in the conference hall where you could use Legos to develop a building and then actually preview that building with a VR headset. The other big thing that we saw was this struggle to take the data and make sense of it. How do we take the customer's location and the fact that we can now, a lot of times, track the customer's location and use it for marketing purposes in a way that isn't creepy. In a way that isn't creepy is something that came up a lot at South by Southwest. The challenge is always to keep the consumer from being creeped out by the fact that these advertisers and marketers can actually see what they're doing. Intel RealSense made an appearance in a few places, attached to a Coca-Cola machine where you could get a Coke for smiling at the Intel RealSense sensor. I'll smile. I mean, I'll smile for a Coke anytime. Not sure how far it's going to go in the marketplace, but definitely something worth looking at. Wearables. Wearables didn't take off as much as was predicted, I think, a couple of years ago. In both South by and CES last year, wearables were supposed to be the future. The content developers are really struggling right now with how to take all of the information that these wearables provide, really valuable analytics and feedback to the consumer, other than number of steps taken or random static activity charts. Lots of great times. There was a big Ferris wheel for Mr. Robot. What else was there? A lot of people that shouldn't be partying. Overall, a really good time. Austin's a beautiful city, and if you get a chance to attend South by Southwest in 2017, I highly recommend it. If you guys like this, be sure to subscribe. We're going to be doing a new video blog every month, and we're going to be covering all of the major conferences and everything that's going on. So, thanks for coming, and hope to see you again. Am I setting a good tone? Is it the right tone? Am I smiley enough? What am I doing?